this is Raspberry Pi, and here we have made a project of smart home and smart farm with security system. So here is our GUI. It is entirely coded in Python. So here is the password, and now we enter the wrong password first, and it shows us an error. And so it shows us an error. So now we will enter the correct password, and here it shows welcome, and our door opens. And now we again go and close the door. So here is the closed door. So here our door is closed. So as we can see, the door opens and closes automatically. Second feature is fan. So here we switch on the fan, and here it is activated with automatic control. Now if the temperature sensor reading is 20 degree, then the fan will be stopped. It is 40 degree, it will be at full speed, and if the speed temperature is between 20 and 40, it will set the speed accordingly using PWM. So if it is 30, it will be 50% speed. And we also have a manual option where we go for manual option and the fan switches off, and now with the help of the slider we set the speed of the fan. This is the automatic fan feature. Now we switch off that, and now another feature is this LED. Now we switch on the LED, and now here is our LED, and it sets the intensity automatically. Now as the LDR varies, like I cover the entire LDR, so here the intensity also increases. Now I take off, it decreases, and now in extreme light the intensity will decrease. Now our next feature, which is in this also we have a manual mode. So if we go to manual mode, then we can set the intensity accordingly. And now another feature is the water sensor. So here we have also kept when the sensor fails, it also shows that if the sensor failed. So now we retry. So now that it is currently on, this is the percentage of level in the tank. As we can see, we have used an aqua guard, and here is the pump which is on, so it is filling it, and the tank will get filled, and ultrasonic sensor is mounted over here. So ultrasonic sensor is taking all the readings of the temperature of the level which is there in the tank. Our another feature that is the soil, which is the moisture. There is a moisture. And now this is a wet soil, so we put the sensor in the wet soil. And so now it shows that the soil has enough moisture, and it is approximately constantly detecting it 88%. And now we put it in the dry sand, and now so it shows the soil is currently dry with 19.10 around. And here our last feature, which is PID control. So here we have to provide the set point, and as we provide the set point, and here we go and press on achieve, it will start taking the temperature readings from the temperature sensor, which is DS18B20, and now the output will be fed from the analog output of the Raspberry Pi to the V2I converter. It will convert it to 4 to 20 milliampere and provide it to SSR. Now the 4 to 20 milliampere will provide a firing angle of the AC wave, and the heater is connected in series with the SSR, and thus the voltage across the heater changes, and this way PID tuning takes place, and the PID control takes place and the temperature is maintained in plus or minus 0.5 with PID algorithm and with great accuracy. Thank you. This is a project.